Hey guys, so the snowstorm in GTA is finally over and I just came out of my house and this is what I see. Snow everywhere. Oh my god. Now because I had done some salting before, so it's gonna be easier for me compared to my neighbors, but still it's not gonna be easy. So I'm gonna begin and I'm gonna tell you. So this time I have the support of electric snow shovel, so I'm gonna start using that first and then we'll take it up from there. So my snow blower is ready, but before you even start using it, find out the direction of wind where it is. If you do it entirely opposite, all the snow is gonna fall on your face. So make sure you don't do that mistake. So then in the direction where you are allowed to throw the snow, because you cannot just dump anywhere as per the laws, bylaws. So make sure you do that. So I'm gonna begin. I have already connected it. Okay. So you can see it has been very effective in one single run. It was able to remove the thick layer. So I'm gonna do it more and then I'm gonna see you guys for next steps. So I have almost cleaned it. Now in this remaining area, especially in this passage, I am not gonna move my electric snow shovel. Instead I am gonna use my manual shovel to clear the pathway for my tenants to come out. And you can see even after doing it, there's some icing, or you can say even snow formed here, so I have to clean that too. So what I'll do shoveling first and then I'll put a layer of salt. So as said, I'm gonna pour now windsor salt on surface like this so that it melts with time and then it will be good to go. So this is how guys you can quickly clean up, not quickly but yeah, hard work, but because I had like electric snow shovel, so it was easier this time. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.